Welcome to Dulcet Motives, the place where you learn, grow, and earn, even while you sleep. Tonight is special because what you are about to hear could quietly change the direction of your life. So before we begin, if you are new here, welcome to the family. And if you have been with us before, thank you. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you. Now, close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and let it out. You are exactly where you need to be right now. Tonight, while your body rests, your mind is about to receive something powerful. The secrets that wealthy people have known for centuries. The truths about money that schools never taught you, and the simple, silent ways that money can work for you, even as you sleep. This is not a dream. This is real. So settle in, relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw, and let these words quietly reprogram the way you think about wealth. Chapter 1. The biggest secret about money. Here is the first secret, the one that changes everything. Rich people do not trade time for money. Say that again slowly in your mind. Rich people do not trade time for money. Most people wake up, go to work, come home and sleep. They exchange hours for a paycheck, and when they stop working, the money stops too. But wealthy people build systems. Systems that earn while they eat. Systems that earn while they travel. Systems that earn while they sleep. This is called passive income, and it is the foundation of every great fortune ever built. The word passive does not mean doing nothing. It means doing the work once and being paid again and again and again. Think of a musician who records one song. They record it once, but every time someone plays that song on Spotify, on YouTube, on the radio, the musician earns money. They may be asleep right now, but their song is playing somewhere in the world, and the money is flowing. That is the power of passive income, and it is available to you. Chapter 2. Money facts. The rich know now. Let these facts settle into your mind. Fact 1. The average millionaire has not one, not two, but 7 streams of income. 7. While most people depend on one job, one salary, one paycheck, wealthy people build 7 rivers of money flowing toward them. Some rivers are small, some are large, but they never stop flowing. Fact 2. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. Albert Einstein himself reportedly said this. Compound interest means your money earns money, and then that money earns more money. It is like a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small, but given time, it becomes unstoppable. If you invest just 5,000 rupees every month starting at age 25, by the time you are 55, with a modest return of 12% per year, you could have over 1.7 crore rupees. Not because you worked harder, because your money worked while you slept. Fact 3. The rich buy assets, the poor buy liabilities. This truth, taught by Robert Kiyosaki, changed millions of lives. An asset puts money into your pocket. A liability takes money out of your pocket. A car you buy to look rich is a liability. A skill you learn to earn online is an asset. A house you rent to others is an asset. A phone you use only for entertainment is a liability. Ask yourself tonight, am I buying assets or liabilities? Let that question sit with you. Chapter 3. 5 ways to earn while you sleep. These are the 5 most powerful ways people earn money while they sleep. Absorb each one. Pillar 1. Digital products. Imagine creating something once an ebook, a PDF guide, a Canva template, a short course, and selling it thousands of times. Someone buys your ebook at 3 in the morning while you are deeply asleep. The money arrives in your account. You did nothing, but you earned. Digital products are the closest thing to magic in the modern economy. Pillar 2, YouTube and content creation. Every video you upload is a permanent asset. A video you made 2 years ago can earn money today through ads, through affiliate links, through sponsorships. Your content works for you long after you have moved on, like a tree that keeps giving fruit, season after season. Pillar 3, affiliate marketing. You recommend a product, someone buys it through your link. You earn a commission. You do not create the product. You do not handle shipping. You simply share a link and earn. Pillar 4, investing in index funds. When you invest in an index fund, you are buying a tiny piece of hundreds of companies at once. While you sleep, those companies are working, making sales, growing revenue, and because you own a piece of them, their growth is your growth. Pillar 5, building a personal brand. Your name can become your greatest asset. When people trust you, when they follow you, opportunities come to you automatically. Brand deals, sponsorships, collaborations. A personal brand earns even when you are offline, even right now as you sleep. Chapter 4, the mindset of the wealthy here is what truly separates the wealthy from everyone else. It is not luck. It is not connections. It is not even education. It is how they think. Wealthy people think long term. While most people ask, how can I make money this week? Rich people ask, what can I build today that will pay me for the next 10 years? They plant trees. They may not sit in the shade today, but they know the shade is coming. Wealthy people are comfortable being uncomfortable. Starting a YouTube channel feels scary. Investing, money feels scary. Writing your first ebook feels scary, but wealthy people do it anyway. They know that discomfort is just the price of growth. Wealthy people invest in themselves first, before buying a new phone, before buying new clothes. They buy books, courses, and skills, because the greatest return on investment always comes from investing in your own mind. And wealthy people protect their circle. You become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with builders, creators, and investors, and you will begin to think like them. Chapter 5, your action plan. Now let these steps crystallize in your subconscious. When you wake up tomorrow, your mind will already be working on these. Step 1, learn one income skill. Video editing, copywriting, design, coding, or teaching. 30 minutes a day, 90 days, you will be ready. Step 2, open an investment account. Even if you start with 500 rupees. Start. Let compound interest begin its quiet, powerful work. Step 3, create one digital asset this month. One ebook, one template, one short course. Put it on Gumroad or Instamojo and let it work for you while you sleep. Step 4, audit your spending. Look at every rupee from the last 30 days. Ask, is this an asset or a liability? Small shifts lead to massive changes. Step 5, consume wealth content daily. Podcasts, books, videos like this one. Feed your mind the same way you feed your body. Every single day. Tonight, you have exposed your mind to wealth, and quietly, deeply, it is absorbing every word, outro and thank you. You have made it to the end, or perhaps you drifted off somewhere in the middle. Either way, it doesn't matter. Your subconscious mind heard every word, and something has already shifted. You now know that money does not have to stop when you stop. You now know that wealth is built in silence, in patience, in small, consistent actions. Tonight, as you sleep, somewhere in the world, a piece of content is earning for its creator. Somewhere, a digital product is being downloaded. Somewhere, an investment is quietly compounding. And one day, that somewhere will be you. Believe it, sleep on it, and when you wake up, tomorrow, begin before you drift away. Completely a small request from us here at Dulcet Motives. If this audio brought you value tonight, if even one idea made you think differently, please subscribe to Dulcet Motives. It takes just 1 second, but it means the world to us, and it helps us bring more content like this straight to your ears every night. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for choosing to grow. Thank you for trusting us with your time and your mind. We will see you in the next one. Learn, grow, earn. Good night.